Good morning, YouTube. Going through another storm in Leon County today. Seems like we've had 3 weeks of rain, flooding, lost our bridge, lost our other road and culvert on the other side of the property. And this morning another storm just blew through. We're in a little lull right now. If you hear that noise in the background, that's why I'm doing this video. I had quite a bit of interest on my little generator shed for the Duromax 13,000 watt generator that runs our house, and we're actually using it right now because the power went out a couple hours ago, hour and a half ago. So I'm going to walk down here to the generator and just show you how I have it ventilated and how I have it running. Let me try to switch views. Alright, so I'm on the front porch of the house. Gonna be loud. As you can see, I have the back of the shed off. I have this main door propped open. I have the breaker box locked out, so we can't send any power downstream unless we turn off the generator. Just a note, if you try to run off of your main bottle, we have trouble with our propane regulator unless the propane is just barely turned on. If I try to start the generator with it turned on all the way, it will choke it out, or flood it, I mean. So keep that in mind. That's the exhaust right there. So all that sand right there has washed down from our road. I should say driveway. This is our kind of slag gravel driveway with dirt, and it's washed out and made its own creek. But the house is high and dry because we're up on a little hill. Anyway, just wanted to show you all the generator in action since I posted a video last week or two showing the generator shed. Thanks to everybody that's watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, and you will get tons of action-packed material like this.